In this video, I want to talk about how you can withdraw money from Webull. Now this is really easy, guys. I suggest you download the app real quick because it's much easier to do from in here. Once you've downloaded the app, you just want to follow these steps. First one, open up the app and click on the Webull logo. Head on to transfers and you should see a deposit and a withdraw button. Select withdraw and then you just want to pick your currency if you want it in USD or whatever. Once you've done that, either add your bank account, or if you already added it, you just want to select the bank account, and then you just want to type in how much you want to withdraw. Once you've done this, just confirm it, and you have now started the withdrawal process. Now, usually this will be done within 24 hours, but it can take up to a few business days, depending on if you're doing a wire transfer or which one you chose. So just keep that in mind, but it's really simple, and at least give it a few business days. And if you don't get it within like 3 to 4 days, I suggest you just contact customer support, but I've never had this issue happen and I never heard of it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.